morning, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today is lesson number 156. Boys and girls, let's review our measure sentences. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 year equals 365 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 leap year equals 366 days. 1 year equals about 52 weeks. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. And 1 dozen things equals 12 things. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing our measure sentences together. Let's move on to our 13 subtraction family. All right, boys and girls, why do we call this the 13 subtraction family? Because all of the combinations starts with 13. All right, let's go ahead. Remember to clap at the end. 13 minus 0 equals 13. 13 minus 1 equals 12. 13 minus 2 equals 11. 13 minus 3 equals 10. 13 minus 4 equals 9. 13 minus 5 equals 8. 13 minus 6 equals 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 13 minus 10 equals 3. 13 minus 11 equals 2. 13 minus 12 equals 1. And 13 minus 13 equals 0. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our dot cards. Remember, we're going to subtract. To subtract, we're going to count all of our dots minus the first square equals the second square. How many dots do I have in all? I have 13 dots in all, minus the first dot, which is 13, equals the second square, which is 0. So our combination is 13 minus 13 equals 0. How many dots do I have in all? 13. How many dots are in the first square? 12. How many dots in the second square? 1. What's our combination? 13 minus 12 equals 1. How many dots do we have in all? 13. How many dots are in, minus the first dots in the square? Minus the dots in the first square. 11 equals the dots in the, let's see that again. How many dots do we have in all? 13 minus the dots in the first square. 11 equals the second square. 2. My combination is 13 minus 11 equals 2. How many dots do we have in all? 13 minus the dots in the first square. 10 equals the dots in the second square. 3. My combination is 13 minus 10 equals 3. How many dots do we have all together? 13. Minus the dots in the first square. 9 equals the dots in the second square. 4. My combination is 13 minus 9 equals 4. How many dots do I have in all together? I have 13 dots minus the first square. 8 equals the second square. 5. 13 minus 8 equals 5. How many dots do I have in all? 13. How many dots in the first square? 7 equals the dot in the second square. 6. So my combination is 13 minus 7 equals 6. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing our math facts today. Have a wonderful day.